Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv, where we take a deep dive into the products that shape your daily life. Today, we're looking at a handheld vacuum that promises powerful suction and extended runtime, the BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster Handheld Vacuum. Now, if you've ever struggled with cleaning those hard-to-reach places in your car or home, this one might catch your interest. It's not just your typical handheld. This model boasts some serious upgrades that might make it stand out in a crowded market. Let's take a closer look. The BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster HHVK320J10 is a cordless handheld vacuum designed to make quick work of cleaning jobs, particularly in tight spaces. One of its standout features is its claimed 4x more suction power compared to previous models, a promise that suggests it can tackle everything from dust to heavier debris with ease. The vacuum operates with 2 speed settings, including a power boost mode, offering a more intense suction at the touch of a button. For those looking for an all-around cleaner for quick pickups, this model includes a large XL dustbin to handle more dirt before you need to empty it. This means less interruption during cleaning, so you can finish the job faster. Another key feature here is the long-lasting battery, with up to 90% more runtime than earlier models. It's a nice upgrade for those who need a reliable tool that doesn't constantly require recharging, especially useful when you're tackling bigger messes or cleaning larger areas. The battery indicator helps keep track of your power, so you're not caught off guard mid-clean. As for convenience, it's equipped with an extra long crevice tool, making it easier to reach those tight corners and awkward spots around furniture or in your car. Plus, the washable filter and pre-filter simplify maintenance, ensuring it stays in top shape with minimal hassle. Now let's see how this vacuum really holds up in real-world use. Setting it up is straightforward. Just pop in the charged battery, and you're good to go. In practical terms, it's fairly light, which makes it easy to maneuver, but it does have a bit of heft due to the larger dustbin and the added power. This isn't necessarily a downside, but it's something to keep in mind if you plan on using it for extended periods. The power boost mode certainly packs a punch, and you'll notice the difference when sucking up embedded dirt or pet hair, especially on carpeted surfaces. On hard floors, it's just as effective, easily picking up dust and crumbs without scattering debris. The real challenge for most handheld vacuums, those hard-to-reach spots, is where this model excels. The extra long crevice tool makes a noticeable difference, allowing you to clean areas like between car seats or along baseboards with minimal effort. While it does a great job in terms of suction power, it's not without a few drawbacks. First, let's talk noise. Like most powerful handhelds, it's on the louder side, especially when operating in the higher power mode. If noise is a concern for you, it may not be the most quiet option out there, but that's often the trade-off for stronger suction. As for the dustbin, while the XL capacity is fantastic for bigger jobs, the process of emptying it can be a bit fiddly if you're not used to one-touch dirt disposal systems. You won't touch the dirt itself, but the design could be more intuitive for some users. There's also the question of long-term durability. While the plastic feels sturdy, it's still a plastic-bodied handheld, so long-term wear and tear from constant use might be a factor for heavier users. When comparing this vacuum to others in the same price range, it holds up pretty well. If you're looking at alternatives, vacuums like the Dyson V7 Trigger or the Shark WanVac offer comparable suction and versatility, though they can be a little pricier. The BLACK+DECKER model doesn't have the high-end battery tech or ergonomic design of some competitors, but it does offer solid power and a more affordable price tag. It's a solid choice for those who don't need all the bells and whistles, but want a reliable tool that can handle a range of tasks. In terms of value for money, it's tough to argue with this vacuum's performance for the price. If you're after a compact, portable vacuum with great suction power and solid runtime, this one offers a good balance of features without breaking the bank. The long crevice tool and ease of maintenance are definite pluses, but the noise levels and occasional awkwardness when emptying the dustbin may be deal breakers for some. Build quality is a mixed bag. While it's well constructed for a handheld, the plastics used aren't as premium feeling as some higher-end models. The extra long crevice tool and the filter system are both easy to clean and maintain, which is a real bonus for anyone who wants to keep things running smoothly. On the flip side, if you're the type to use your vacuum often and for more demanding jobs, the overall longevity might not be as impressive compared to more robust models from brands like Dyson or Miele. Customer support from BLACK+DECKER is generally well regarded, with fast response times and helpful service. If you do encounter any issues, you can expect a decent level of support, though the simplicity of the product means most users won't need to rely on it often. To wrap things up, the BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster Handheld Vacuum is an excellent choice for anyone in need of a powerful, affordable, and easy-to-use handheld vacuum. It excels in suction power and runtime, especially for light to medium-duty cleaning tasks. It's ideal for those with small apartments, car owners, or anyone who needs a quick solution for everyday messes. However, it's not perfect. If you're sensitive to noise or need a vacuum for heavy-duty long-term use, you might want to explore some of the more premium options out there. If this vacuum seems like it could be a good fit for your needs, don't forget to check the link in the comments box for more details. Let me know if you have any questions or if you've tried this model yourself. Your thoughts might help someone else make the right decision. Thanks for watching, and goodbye till next time. Keep your spaces clean and your vacuums running strong with Reviewsinside TV.